one woman. Who now what yet? Okay, get the way up. I work for more children on my child.
Okay.
Who got lay you over? Maybe I come on myself. Becky, no more. The work where I'm home. Becky, I'm on the way. I'm your brother. Off the music, off the music, off the music, off the music.
Yeah. I'm back again. Now me go. Where I go disconnect my internet. Why don't you hear to what me? I'm not good. I know say me I'm not good, and I'm not a perfect man. I'll give you why you make me. You know why? Can you not a cool? Why you make today? I'm going to talk to unless I start going to Becky and the useless boy because I heard them. No what that here was the young. Everyone who has taken over here is social media right now. But if you not sell that person, you're going to talk with the hawk like gala. Of here when digging now. Who feel promises are going to dish? You can't say, you can't speak. Let's back to this. You want to talk. You want to win on that? Which is not supposed to be said. Normally, in a good relationship, maybe I'm not showing my own woman life with you. But when I remember when I believe where that keep bringing me down, this should be done. In a way where you small. Manasam. Even well level because you are walking away. They can never stand and tell you the truth. And that's major reason why you remain a slave to them. Just the same way, no say where you are. You know what you are going to see here. They cannot go there and win. Okay, they be. Why second year? Why you know why asking you what asking you? Why am I going to get you? Oh man, you walk where you are planning. Why let me get all I do here? All I love. So when what the bass what will be able to stop? Any care young whatever who you cow, who you go give up, you go here. When you watch it going equal to what? No boy like you. Oh, when I am what? Any care when I you not the same this way without no bulla. That's so lick. You just use my lick you. A lick on your happy. Even though you prevention medicine, you not the same way I hear. But Benekia, who know I am a conway. Ma will not get bulla. Now, tongue you want to pregnant you. All of them will say, well, see if you are no way, Hammer. Who not by a family or what we're Hammer. Oh, Benekia, you were begging my family to talk to me, to unblock you. To unblock you. You said you recorded them. They played the record. I was waiting for my family record. Okay, where can I care? Who want a law? Or the law, who be pregnant for that same man. Who know how you pregnancy are dies. We're getting a man when that's how you don't expect me because we have big Jesus Christ. We have no sick man. We have no man. You know what this? You have no man. La. To a toy. When they search, you may have been asked when they search. You are a madman. You are a bloody civilian. If you ever think that way, but when I want to know a search, oh, boy, I want to get friend. Oh, when you go on. When you're here. Oh, yeah, that might say useless man. That is the problem we have now on social media. The issue you see today, you see record your wife is because I refused to beat my wife for Cynthia. You cannot insult my wife. When the man married, you are a girlfriend, you are head and see. I walk in on social media from the day you go your home. The whole world know her. You are bad family on social media. When I don't care, constantly, unknowingly. They don't expect me. If you have misunderstanding with my wife, you don't go how many way. You are a blood civilian. Who is every man? Is sucked up, man. You went to my family. When you ask me, now go because I blocked you. Who is the way? Upon all the bed, I refuse to block you because you are a blood civilian. Weak man, I call it. When I saw the biggest liar on the whole Europe. I was here. Better to that flocks together. The only person that can support you legitimately is Susie. Because it's your war. I don't want you to know who knows who are bueno. No achievements. All these years in Europe, after many years of prostitution. No achievements. At the end of the day, August, mama. August, man, and your gas. And your gas. Now let's come to Becky. Why is Becky the topic of today? Becky, you are here on top. Oh no, you are doing. But at the end of the day, I brought her this man as an special investigator. I unveiled this so-called man, Usayande, for Yami Amari. Unknowingly, Usayande was having a girlfriend who brought Usayande to Europe. Becky overtake the girlfriend. All in the name of lying. You have a 10 years document of France. You hearing Usayande, the same thing he told me. One thing I love myself for, and I thank my life for, where right from time, I don't believe on woman giving you documents. As I get to Europe through sea, and I seek for asylum, as a humanitarian asylum, definitely, I know what with God, all things are possible. So when I do the way, if you're not going to when it's time, I'm not going to be to your Imagine that. Tell me, you're going to be a German, you're going to be. They jam me, every and I but I decided to start by them because don't get equal to the money or any or any what you want. That was why I migrated back to Italy to start afresh. Which I never regret. Doesn't matter how many times a man fall. What matters is when you stand up again as a man. And to God be the glory. She's been a work well perfectly. Hey, Becky, there, who body when you are Kokara, you're picking on you, see who you were as a wife. The funniest part of it all, the way you see your well, where they will away, you collide to me and lock up. So, I don't make it up here. Who are you living on work, where you go be your what will be no better than here? That's the reason what believe what you want in your way. There are people that have wisdom, that have sense, that listen up. Here, whenever you are talking about pain, with a brother use your tongue. Now, when I get more, when I get so well, I will go. And when I knew who you look, you must say, I will be there. And when I knew where you look, where you will be, and will be there. Why is it so important and so necessary that who of us will be in frank? That man can't be here. You are he might can't be here. You are one with AIDS and the charge. And we don't want to be the father that loves children does not mean I'm eager to have children. It can imagine the imagine you understand? You maintain your wassail. Imagine a bag in the beautiful. What you are building a hole. It won't marry him or it's my responsibility to take care of them too, as their father. You understand? You don't want the one of the bag. At the end of the day, there are things you get on think like you. Your mentality is different from my own mentality. Your sense of reasoning is different from my own sense of reasoning. There are some men that will say, it's their own cup of tea. That's their own kind of business. There are some men that will say, I cannot marry two wives. For me, I say I can marry two wives. Everybody has this mentality with different choice. So you come into my life where, sister, I be a Oh, Pierre, if you don't make it together, you understand? And at the end of the day, you went for that. When I will like it, who dedicate who for the second time, what the fuck here? At the end of the day, second time I couldn't read. When I here, like you. When I believe I think we show me the saga, menu memory. Menoria of Mogo Yaga. In my way, lesbian. In my way, gay. When you a space station, next time I tell you, we got it with saga. I was like, oh, that's one. When they make your head, it's another.
Becky no more. And then I will go. We are however when I went away.
It not be that you are not the one first person falling out. To come and criticize me, if I you do something, me you sleep together, we fuck, we do this one, the leak to totally leak. Yeah, okay. For those of you who never know the story, now what is the story now? Oh, Sayan, then where they may marriage now, forced boy, Amoro Sayan. At the end of the day now, where are you? Becky, at the end of the day now, where is your Osayede? Where are you now? Osayede went back to the baby, the ex-wife, the ex-girlfriend. Unfortunately, the ex-girlfriend is already engaged to another man. You can't chop your cake and have it again. Wahala be like the closet boost. You can't sweet. Now wahala can't sweet. Now the closet boost. You see this life no balance. Now, Becky, where you did a hotel for France, you close your house, stupid as you are, because of prick. Man will not pay your bride price. Just introduction. Introduction is not marriage. Just introduction. You closed your house in France and packed down to Italy. You packed down to Italy. Asking for that matter. Come camp with man. We just do introduction for you. People say we don't do marriage. They never go pack with their husband. They still check the man. You just do introduction. You pack to the man. Go sit down at the man's house. With Peking. Carry Peking up and down. Now, the thing where they pin for your matter, now your Peking. Now that your innocent baby, now they pay me for you. How many men that you call daddy? You came to my house, you call me daddy. You left my house, you go with iron body for Bergamo. You call iron body daddy. You leave iron body now. You go meet Friday. Your pikin say cause Friday daddy. I wonder how many men that pikin go grown up to call daddy. How many men? Now what did they ask God in that one? God, how many men pre go call daddy? How many men you go to carry people they go to fuck or present for a present? How many men you hear more your hand you wire here? Just when you carry to my house come for. You always think about your selfish interests. You don't think about the future of that baby, the mentality of that baby, the sense of reasoning of that baby. Oh, your hand man. See the way you carry picking, they're gonna fuck different people. Baby of 5 to 6 years old for Europe. No one will code up with you. You never ask yourself one questions. Why this man not married me? What is really wrong with me? I came out categorically to tell you the truth. One, you do the lie. I hate women with the lie. Two, you do the brag. You don't get nothing. You get nothing. You tell me say you get pure water company and measure water, table water. Say you go launch for December 2023. Up till now, there was no amen. Don't talk of amazing water. Don't talk of table or table water. Sister, what you like? You tell me that's why you get 4 flats. At the end of the day, that $1 million where I give you. Now you take buy land. We just start to rebuild. You never reach 3 level. You see your life. You brag for who want help you. For your destiny helper. You rake for your destiny helper. I'm be small to you. You rake. By the time you come in, you come to say, this person is this person my destiny helper. You want to do everything by fire, by thunder to click with me. Which I rather see you feel say no level. A level anymore. You are just a noise maker. You just a brag, you don't get nothing. Mama not do okay for us. But now you make noise pass for media. Becky, when you born from Libya, carry from Libya to Nigeria, where they with your man. She don't even do okay well like that. Now you brag pass. Neatness, you know the neat. I don't imagine woman when the neat go sleep with man, she go there yash. For you, what would they show? It give woman for the wash makus. For this styling, they get betrayal. Where when they wash makus, where they shit different, where they bath different, where they wash makus different. A woman will walk up for betrayal before you go shit. And you go shit, you go use to clean yash, you go use water wash your yash. At the end of the day, you go sleep with your boyfriend. You want to give your boyfriend doggy. Make a pull hand for your anus. Cover your anus so you're just going to breathe smoke commands. You'll find out the shit there on your ass. You go mash it for hand. You go use hand mash it. How you would expect that kind of man? Today reasonable with you. This man already needs. You get what they irritate men. And different things they irritate men. That's kind of thing you have to kill my zeal. That zeal to have that sex with you. You don't kill the zeal that one. Still, now you will come alive and you sit down and talk. Now you go sit down with media and they talk trash about people who are better than you 100%. Now say the boy who you married now. I was hitting you and this boy the other time. When I not jealous, they worry me. So see, I say they in love with you. For their present I married. You want married now and they say, God, this girl, if you fuck with this girl, I'll come deal with you. I tell your boyfriend, go watch my video, last video. I said, if you don't marry Becky, if you leave her, I will definitely go to deal with you. Today, I never carried the Macoman. If I could do video again, now the mother of that useless boy, now carry. Yeah, he said, better give me social media. How can I like that? He said, don't you listen why? What am I going? That boy don't hear what we are telling him. Or marry anytime, man. As the king of social media, as the young way, or marry anytime, man. But that's what you're doing. Becky. If once upon my way, I can go with that too. Hey, Becky, oh, Larry. When my time you make it when your mom mono, when your mom mono, I want to tell you I'm pure. I want pure. How many years now? How many months now? Dinner? What are the marriage? Hello. How many months now? Well. Yeah, I proud of the show you, man. Only this was war. Only see how useless that. Only you go where you are. Now I go spend your money, go to money for us. The same thing you want to do for me, and I said no. Oh God, that God will bless me. But like salam alaikum. I don't want to drink. I want you. A proud man not promised me a filling station. You remember you have the filling station in me. He have the money. To hell with you on your police station. Oh yeah, see all those guys with their eye open for money. They don't want to hustle with their hand. They want the day after women money. Now so they're going to marry the wrong way they go. And so those guys will turn out to single mothers. Now what to kill many of our boys for this abroad. Woman will promise you go buy a police station. You will really follow and go marry her. If I be those kind of man with now problem I will marry. You said she's going to be free. You don't have. Come on, give me a business of 30 million. 30 million from Portugal. She knows. Now let me talk. In there, this is yours. She go there, she go listen. She like here talk. She called him up for my present. All those diner when they open for papers. The business what she did. She put me through. I said, use. I run. Now me when I use all those kind of money take time. At the end of the day, I come because slave to her. You know rich. You know rich. You see you like Becky. Who did that boy? I'm a sad guy when you are. A marriage the other. I'm a saga well. A marriage the other. Men who are saga. We are still happy together today. In your way, you went when I believe we saga white saga management, God has just put asunder. What a new one has joined. No, a new age has put asunder. Becky Alpha. What is one of us right there? no ena to le body moto una ya lodge you tell moto we will tell when I video mo camera that face mana me obi na me show background I hear the background we mo camera that face na o refe na e kanu ka haye na ye kanu yina o ye mama alpha how market you don't go test on that to do that prick down what you love it don't go how markets. For how long you gonna fuck my up and down? If you want to take cutting, that's just gonna do a shower. Better off you. Than jumping into a relationship like chicken. At the end of the day, no responsible man will ever marry you. Because you brag too much. Oh, you went too much, you missed that. The reason why men will continue to love you might think this man you don't catch a mugu, but tell me I go wise. They dump you like chicken. Also, I ended the one room when you come in town. Go sign the rent one room for person hand. You pack your picking. Go me to sign them for one room. Can you imagine? Me more. I did 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom now a day when I did marry. I moved my house to go marry my wife's house. You understand? For 2 bedroom where I did 2 bedroom. Single man I did 2 bedroom. Your man want to do your marry, one marry you marry from one room on that person. Without no privacy. Tell me why you're not gonna like me. You come and house and you get privacy. You feel naked, they walk up beside house. Door and what you like on the house. They walk out with naked, there's nobody want to answer you. Now your guy has to do. Washing machine, they're not like you want to stress yourself. Anything we need, what they need to do, gas or everything day. Tell me why we're not gonna cry on media. The same boy when I get prickle, you get everything we want to play. At the end of the day, I go fool myself, come out from the chance. Many of them went to see that they would have been worse because then Facebook never really like this. Now, if your friend get that the relationship don't work, now social media streets. You go imagine as big as your deadly or Papillona. That way, everybody used to say, Mama, then they put out share for party. I will share get mama, share. I can't come and knock and fuck her. Make her square. Throw water on my bed. Use piece, finish my bed for us. At the end of the day, come in there, call the talk scratch. As old as she is, she come in there, call the talk scratch. The same woman will come and has the scream like small picking. They scream for my bed like small picking. She come in there, gonna say, I love the mate. Then when they scream under my bola, you don't see the prick small. The same prick was small, now you take squirt. Squirt what you know you born 4 children for, don't make you squirt. Squirt is what the man when you born 4 good children for, don't make you squirt for many years. You go for Libya, go for abroad. You know if you squirt. And I bought they drink trams, they drink from my dog. They take Maggie till they fuck women. They don't make you squirt. Either when a month's work. Or most will come make you squirt for a bro. You want to marry me by force. So because you squirt now, you won't marry the man. That's why I ask this one. The woman on the one who ask well. Now I got going at Becky. See your life today. The same ones who are still my wife home. I'm married. You feel now? 3 months time, with my anniversary. 3 months time now, with my anniversary. 1 year anniversary of marriage. You all just crumble. You all just crumble, just scatter. You see your life? You see your life? I can't tell you why so why New York, why fear. Also, why is it making a fear for? They're still on still. Why you have the guts to come out on social media to be insulting me? Why have the guts to yell at them? I can't tell you. Okay, they are paying me over your school. I was your sula. Or we are not sula. Sula not be money over in Nigeria. You used to know you are true. Next, you are on the road. Now, on the road, I junkie. Also, who are paying me was one. What cooking? Pay me. Me my lad will help. Only actually my prick for life. We do so. No matter what after the game. When if you go now, you work the way. Not big one. Me my lad will help you. It may work when I ask him not big one here. Only brother now show you come. Now normal level. A video call now works. Boyfriend and girlfriend. Distance relationship. You go do video call with your babe now. Normally. Oh, give him a crime, you know. A crime. It's just for you to release your pain, your ease. Ease your that's your urge of sex. If she cannot be there with you. Or sorry, man, do mafia with you. All my life, with me or you want to do something normally. My boy make it military Jimmy. Make it Buyari Jimmy. If I was also sterilities. Or say good one where do. What fear with you? Sister, what is your problem? If you are not in, you are not in. No, they change your scenario. Make her look like something that crime. Make her something abominable. As far as you're not married, when you're a single woman, you have the right to play love with any man when you say you genuinely love that, they really love you. Some of them are going to fear to talk to someone in friend Frank. While the weekend we fear. While the Ben want 1 week we fear. E que a de o to we fear. While asking me no we fear. Ah be can I make be no what bass in am boto. O ku mamwe. E ko mo o wi no jo destiny o wi no jo o deme o do mo ni ma deme se o taseme o gologono. Ina mu je mo na boto gbi. Ona vi ona gba me ko we. E ku mamwe o. Or it's Facebook. I bolo. I want to go me. I want to boy. Me I boy me and boy no. Iya do yellow yi. You don't know me. Iya ka go ni an. O ko ni meje kan yo. Me na nebo. Ya me boy you no re pack ya mi o ni. I ga ni gedo. Ni aya de okay. We me aya kan yo. My name will be in the Guinness Book of Record. Dan iya ye bo mo ku. We 5 minutes. We no gele 5 minutes back me. Ure no gbe kwane enwe ya sokosogo ko yebo mu ni ekegbe mu gba ne ekegbe ke yo ni yekwere 247 ure ne we ne gbe ne no negi sinia negi be ni no negi sitwa wo tekia a gbe mu aga fere yo fere we be na le relay aga le we egbu na ara gbe wona wa na ko yere so ya o ko ka jilo we kele we ma ukere read make us 5 minutes don't come. That's the little. So why are you worried? We were alala. At the end of the day, you guys will still become stupid the way you guys are stupid now. It's so unfortunate way you jump rock because when we wow, this guys were 247. Remember where if it doesn't speak with you, yes, so if what those want to talk my own, not they see them now my own, none of they see. I don't want to see them listen to my own where. But I don't say this is the master of Ashi Wele. Ashi because if those women they talk trash about me, we're not going to like their videos. Now it's my own turn to talk about them. Oh no, your fear. See this one go, but because of me go do marriage. Because of say I marry by fire by thunder. I want to marry. I want to today I don't come for your house. The husband wanted to beg his ex-girlfriend. He has given another girl already. He has given another girl with Odama. Why don't bust? He don't bust. He don't bust. Oh my cat. I just do my drink. I want you. Oh God. Emo ya ni yipa kan ya gime. Ige meyan ya gi wa ya be ni Jesu. Won yipa kan gere. Ige meyan ya gi wa. Mami wona we meri yoy. Ige meyan ya gi wa ya. Won ta rich. Yes. I want ni ti me bi yeki. Umenwe. Why are you not a woman here? Why are you not a woman here? They give me kudos. Be the woman bozzy says social media. We no roya ke bosse. We no more by one say. It is not. We no humiliate just social media. You now bring it down to my feet. Now be care of it. Now what you can. Now you can't go like ya. At the end of the day, I saw it again. Now I bomb working France Caspian. Who did ticket to go ask my with his boss in Yang? Whether I will know who may wear a bolo. Who did ticket to 20 tickets back from it, you know. You don't want to pick you. You might want to like train your I pick it with car. You know, you have to be able to check how 11 no. Ebu. My guy, they were not know, I don't know what's seeing. When Becky, when I was zoo, no was now we have pepper men when never about this man, we have pepper me, no way I'm also had it. We know you had a girlfriend, una miss me a girlfriend, una like no saga girlfriend away. I don't know you want him. The girlfriend is cool, calm. It's talking, you have a block on. She have a block on TikTok because it's TikTok in your logo button. Many years we want to have. Where go? You see a idiot. You don't block account. I block account. I block corona. I block our visual. I bought like you. Yeah, block you. Okay, who's it? I block corona. Oh, how many? Oh, was it my Lord? You might not be mistaken. Yeah, I block on. He, may I block it? Oh, may I block it? I agree. It's not gonna. Now, today, Becky is no longer in the house. Becky has run back to France. Merci beaucoup. Becky has run back to merci beaucoup. So is we know what the tradition what be only the guy will go be hello
bro, afternoon.
Hello.
Bring me up for TikTok. I'm there sending requests. You're not bringing me up, why?
no, I can do something. I want to bring person up for Sanga. Me, I was going to
I want to tell you for fun that I know that Sabi forget Sebi and Becky get up with the draw.
Now get up on the area. Carry your.
I want to tell you for fun that I join you, Becky. Why you don't want to bring me up social media thing?
But yeah, wait, me I bring you up now. Me I bring you up. No, we are doing. No, we do okay. We do okay. We don't have you. If I get the mommy do okay one side, I feel it's way so that again. You mommy do okay. Anyway, we send the request to you. You send your request. Let me bring you up. Okay. Okay. Hey, you are welcome. I must greet you.
Hey Becky, I say you know the husband again, Jesus. On the show kill. Oh wow. Social media can continue and there will you not understand?
Yes.
Say me bring me up. Or we can continue and there.
There you laughing at my balance. Becky.
See, you don't know that because of you all of the wrong go marry.
Yes, now.
You don't know.
Also, me I'm not happy, but the marriage you got here, you understand? The marriage you got here. They all because most things were here. In terms of marriage, so the marriage must work by fire by thunder. If the marriage is poor, I go to beat those men. Those men I go suffer from my hand. Unless they always
they talk for their platform, man.
Because
you don't go down. They say your enemy don't go down. Your enemy don't go down. I want to use this media to talk to a we. Now 2020, Frank starts live video. Even our first page, we gather together to drop that page. You understand? Which one can be Frank don't go down, Frank don't go down. And we now since 2016, now we start live video. 2016 plus 2020, now one at the same. You understand? Anybody want enter live video? Hey Frankie, you know say I want people they watch, you know say na genuine man. Not genuine, not they bad view. You know they bad followers. You know understand? Bro, continue I there with you. Koko saga yakugbeya or
what talk with me? Man, no get far. See your daughter. A goddaughter when is not a single woman. What yet by year? You know, run over there. You want? It's a way you want. When everything I said comes to pass, I will be drinking upon my head. Humanity don't know why you are the one that announced their marriage. Serious of us, they stupid. They Becky away marriage. Becky, what did you do?
Wow.
Yeah, that's my daughter.
Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
I greet you.
Daddy, but you have the sweet me today. You like to today like my birthday. Daddy, I don't know as I want to talk. I don't want to offend you. This always, so they celebrate, say this guy don't leave Becky. Are you saying you want to be this guy? Say why did he leave Becky?
You know, not celebrate. He must marry Becky.
Becky.
Oh, marry. Becky.
No, I don't. But what he pay me, he say the guy don't call me. The ex-girlfriend of this guy, where he carry this guy enter Libya, abroad. He called me this afternoon. He dey tell me now, say, really? He said the guy call her, apologize, the guy to make peace with her, but the guy already moved on. The guy said already moved on. Very important. So he said, the guy they see each other, they feel they greet each other. Sorry, my babe, I record you. No verse. Me, as you don't come to Becky issue at the record.
Forward the record to me. Forward to me. Me a player.
Okay, man, forward that. You hear her.
Okay.
He said he begged her. He said Becky already move on.
Okay, no wala. I'm waiting to tell you. You see this life? Sometimes we will be man with a made mistake. Oloju kokoro. When you back I will ogboji. Awore galibo we bona yan kini kun de no ya agwa okono mu diaro ya ma de okwowe so de document umokuni for there are many for men for this abroad because say this your girl not get never get people and this girl then they make you become who you be for abroad. You go dump the girl, follow get documents. Now what happen to this boy? So this Becky ex-boyfriend so na ex na go be now girl will carry you enter abroad. Because you Becky don't pay reason, you get 10 years for 10 years document of France. He go give you paper. You carry go La Maria, Ameria. If you reach there, you put one for ground. He go give you address. He give you paper back. You follow Becky. The same thing she told me too. He say he found indoctrinate for abroad. He whites pass me where you really come. He don't know something for me come. Everything the way they suffer here, I already go ground, get everything with my head brain. And they ask questions. And as a land country, I don't go with lawyers. And they ask the question, they give them the TFT question, they answer me. At the end of the day, Becky won't come Mugu. Make a year come. Becky even went to the extent to go meet one Senegal guy. He collected the Senegal guy documents. Post come for me, make I take entire route pass from what did they call that border? Ventimilla. Take cross Ventimilla. Come Moton, come Metan. If I just come, you know you carry me go to America. You go give me a residence. The next day you give me documents. I go open my studio for a palo. I go to do live video for there. We just start as family. I say really say yes. I say okay, no worry. Make I go think first. Me leave where you go for Germany. You go we get everything. We agree. A doctor, a medical doctor. I leave her for Deutschland. Come Italy. Come find my life for here. Now one woman if carry me again go France. We say you see the other duru. You know they work na liability. If they collect money because of the accident we get for road, we go do a shower. You understand? We want to take German for road work. Then it comes to come here and come sit down for one room. They suffer for the I say God forbid. I better your day here, find my life for a year. May God bless me. The way God already bless me, they go so. You understand? That same rotation that you use for this boy, sign there for Bugu. Girlfriend, when you have signed they plan life together. That one signed dump that one. You follow Becky. The next thing Becky go to introduction. He forced Sign to go to introduction. Sign to introduction before you know what's the happen. Becky don't pack a load from Moton. Come and stay with it. Sign there for Italy for asking. He just didn't learn Italy. Next started a great problem for Sign. Police control. Fight. Started the fight. Say a husband for us. Just imagine, you know, but my sowa, he did the sowa. It was so well. It we so well here. At the end of the day, what we did today? After all the my man. After all my man. At the end of the day, where are we today? 0 naira, 0 kobo. No husband, no boyfriend. And the funniest part, code don't come. Oni wa fini ha e ki ade we woto na mi are de gbekpo na ya truth all my things were do na for here na ya gbekpo ili bo kan yo ya tin next year I me roma ya mu ko he ko se mi no para gbo awa gbeki ayege awa salu he is 3 to 2 for me o se mi go yo I dey ko kare awe. You understand? Hey Becky. Oh, what me? Oh God, I feel like crying right now. Oh God, Brand, sorry, stop crying. I feel like you want me. You know
Bros, you don't have to cry, right? Because the time when Becky went to go destroy 10 years relationship, we all tell Becky say no go work. Yes, nah, you no go forever work. A boy need a bug, for them to go back to that girl, they go beg that girl, they be idiots. Useless family, now that boy come from. Then they crazy. How you go up, woman go carry you from Libya come. After 10 years relationship, you say you see one shower away, don't they clean in yacht if you go toilet. That one are nonsense now. You understand? The Becky make what's all the identity they could wear. Because when you go logo boy, even when you carry that boy come outside, we can't even they pray for you. Now that they are no say. Now that day your end starts. Yes, now without being told. Like I don't understand. Somebody man, not the person you built too flat for, you know you manage picky will give you. It could be saying that somebody relationship, 10 years relationship, this is a charge play. Even 1 year relationship not be charge play. You know, you carry your because go destroy somebody relationship. You can't feel say that person go spend the rest of his life with you. It no go forever walk. And I love waiting the way God say punish you. And he go punish. Where me your door? Where me your door? Okay, I will be king.
Oh wow, Ben maybe sorry, maybe thinking my sister. Go here no le be yawe carry. Only here, only here make boy have water was a low boy.
You don't see the photo shoot where they do. Photo shoot, boy never even reach out. You don't they shoot count for your baby girl. Jesus, our photo shoot of marriage. The man they should come for picking you they see you even get the guts to post that picture. Like I don't understand. When you want married to a man, you be single mama, you know the kind of man where you need to spend the rest of your life with. As Frank there, so Frank married to Mama Kevin. You know see Mama Kevin as he be saying a young girl. He see and say Mama Kevin already get children. You understand? Yeah. Before he married to Mama Kevin, the children don't become Frank. Oh, they don't love Frank like say tomorrow not day. You understand? Frank never should come for Kevin. He never should come for the children. I know the man Pepe Denny with social media. What kind of Pepe Denny is that? I can never see my ex is going to marriage. May I still go force myself for marriage? Marriage na school where person go he no go forever. He no go forever finish that school.
Exactly.
Yes, na university. They was a who ramped up you are here man you wear marriage. Na so it be. What done yet TV good way? Ija.
See this life.
You want to give a document. Where your document in any where I fell what people say. Man say no need you again. You begin to cry. Another man want to spend the rest of his life with you. Oh go.
Yeah, when you marry Franco, Franco when you come, it will not do. It's not do. Problem. It's a problematic problema. Me dey force ya maro ma. Yen ki ba ba baro yen. Olaluhe.
Mama so wo for the corner. We me wo wana gallery your door. Like as Becky, I wish that boy he really love her the way Becky saying that boy love her. Because for now still they talk to you now, not understand. Believe people use and make parables say once you are married, anything concern your ass. Make clean, it don't come out, it don't come. We never see some people when they want marry. The family of the girls they go use the pikin this way say if you ever talk about your ass, so you ever remember about your ass, if you ever collect money from another man entirely, you know. But those people marriage, I don't understand. I don't see where Becky family for pray for Becky. For tell her what they're supposed to do and what they're not supposed to do for marriage. I can say that kind of marriage they work. You know go forever work, you know go walk. No go. Look at them.
No motivo. We do go Yosula. I don't want to aspect me why we go in Oyosula a junkie. Ole Morocco.
Bonnie, right from town. I said, only man, I go where Guana, no, in my way, Coco Kiago. Then I saw ye Q where Mohiata. Oh, when they Franco Hiata. Then they pay me out this stopping me. A battle where he don't Kiago. When you want to know where a message to Avialele, he don't be message because me so ye Kia. He saw ye Kia. I will let Kia. You understand? Oh, yeah, when they who said no, yeah, we need a relationship you're cutting, not cutting. Where so you get Frankie, I them Manoka, Huawei. I them Manoka, Frank of this virgin. Your mouth is virgin. Also, no what the mana go now. We don't even go your water. And no concern anywhere. You need to keep her outside. Keep her outside. No, uro water. Was because we are not water. Was waji. The day husband house, so they see they take about their ass. That is called scheisse. No sense, let that one be.
When I lose you, I say, yeah, we love him, man. You know, what he has a guy, as a boyfriend, okay, Junior Bayodi, no Biena.
Okay.
A Junior Bayodi in the UK, they 24 bit in the UK. I think when they walk, when they are single, when they are Pemi was trying to see how I can saga those women. Woman, man, you know, when they marry you again, you define your other ones. Any woman when near you will saga. That was the intention. He wanted me to be sagaring all those women where Junior Bayer did the dates for UK. This guy, this woman get all the control of those women for UK. When 24 bit carry call UK in that year. Anyway, oh, no, my clear. I'm not ready to make back. Oh, yeah, where you go?
Osalo boale we say my brother we jam in the road. Iya mama mi awenwe. Na so you be.
Emi we mi aya mi ati mi ame. Wo me ya ma ponzi ni me.
Ponzi ni nyoni ave logo because we go live very well. They no bogbe. Just so no ne go abuela me, you know.
Utane. The bonus father me dey cook for them all.
Thank you.
Because I know how to cook.
Our normal work here do at
Money by Epa me where in make her come. He want come. He now okay. Menas one of your list young was a bad guy. A woman asked criminal, but my sister again asked criminal be yell. A screaming here came on by now we yell at the way that way. Tell me what they can tell me you will talk.
Pay me they come for those Arabu dead ya area dead. They will pay me. Reme we not so bobby reme. Ni time we are going to not do it. Ever no journey.
Make no sunu. Sister wa nyakala oto heye gbo we agu he. Why I walk with Oshobole? They didn't grow.
He act me dog on Johnny every time.
Jesus. You really back because you back. I know you back my sister. Jesus is Lord. And now, yeah, baby, you are right there, baby. Come on, baby. You are right there, baby. That is it. Come on, baby. Do it for me, baby. Shake it for me, baby. Shake it. Tell me the earth, wet. Tell me the two away water. Not be joke. Not be joke. Jesus. I mean, now we're secret. Here now we are not. Yeah, disgrace helpful. Yeah, disgrace yeah. Unless they go join the house. Make we enter house. Make they come on a high mission. Me, you know this good to me. What's the name of understand we open the marry Oviji my family is not married. Nothing we are doing, she don't know. Anything we are doing with all this side chick, all of them, she know everything. Asia, but in my live video presenter, you can cast anytime. You know I confess about go. Relationship with the coin.
Oh, yeah. My brother. Osalobo put two of them together. Yes, now. We were meeting here, Kevin. You were single, my here, Kevin. Now they are single, mama. So, why family me? But now, when I love it, but there is a big difference between your marriage and those mugus to marriage, because you started that marriage before them. Now your marriage, we see, we call your mama say you want to marriage.
Exactly.
Now your marriage that mumu wey carry money to go marry man for us na your marriage. If cannot take, as he don't born that miserable pikin wey dey belle, the man go still live for he single mother. E di okin wa bi anono ni.
Emma mama ye na.
Amugo yoko one ya 10 years boyfriend.
Eki me mama gye mama. Oh, have you really went? Really, you can't understand. You problem me. Man, what? Maybe only problem me. You problem me. Auto take problem. Oh well, I beg. I don't tire. Oh babe, I don't tire. Babe, I don't tire. One sleep, I beg. I don't tire. When I tire, red liver no ga. Red liver.
You don't see the grass.
5 liter.
The grass you live on everywhere shake for social media.
Mais red liver, c'est pas migré. Et qui adore. Mais et pas il a la long. Il y a un fier de faire des quelle papa. Gay ou dazi. Problem garçon, babe, I'm tired. Babe, Babe, we bedroom. E bedroom get go. Bedroom te signama. Kai weka. Red liver.
We need people use that make parable say na man wey dey try for bed that woman dey cry for as he want.
As the it dey lick period.
Live proud mom, where you come on live proud mom everywhere shake. Me wey no even see you for ground, I don't even know whether you dey Germany. Proud mom use the frustration to enter my body. Morning night he go dey call me. He don't get belle for Franco. Wetin he want to go to Ambo? Blah blah blah. Like, are you serious right now? You get belle for Frank. He go sell me. You got the bikini. You know, at the end, all of them see 8,000, they don't want to leave Frank Manta alone. Oh, what's on Walai will be.
Yeah, my baby, look back. Ana hiko. We more away by. Yeah, no, I talk about you.
Epa domo.
I must greet you.
Domo sir.
Off we're good.
Domo.
We do.
Domo. When you mama will be right.
Akabo.
Okay. When you want to get to
What off we're good.
Domo say ma. Domo.
I must greet you. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Okay. Pala drop me.
Okay, no shaking.
Okay, Papa.
That guy, I fancy me no any off work way. Why we're normal level. First of all, let me first focus on one thing. And it's a lot of people are watching me. You see all these our women with the misbehave on social media. Normally, what we do for secrets, not what is supposed to talk for public. As a responsible man, rather a responsible woman. You understand? Respect is reciprocal. You see, the situation whereby they know who you be. They come into your life for a reason, not for love. But the reason is not be fulfilled. They will not decide. Now hold on. They will not decide to use you to get fame. Now I get that clear. They will not decide to use me to get fame. For them to use me to get fame, I go use them make money. That's what you'll be. You cannot get that job where I do. And this Facebook now. And here now, make a name. When no go, when no go, well, I love it to go. Men no go, no way. Every game, oh, give men. See, in the problem when I not get say, no, the capacity I be. Anyway, you know, I can nick it here now. There go ni raw, he ban white. He wa here the streets. Imam mo we radio we back whatever. Now be you are carry come, I don't carry you go back. So Oga, now go reason now. I know where I don't know man. Say you want conform. You want to insult me?
Now the women I get shit.
Hey Becky, you know what Becky did? Becky went to Facebook. Ona ya went okuya. No yes English. Ona mwekia, ona mko. Now you go to my picture, you go put pick, go edit prick, put. My people, if you see your prick, you not go know. When they send me that video, when I see the video, this is not my bola now. We don't get black bola, I get pink bola. Now pink cap now I get. I don't get black cap. That's why I open. As the if you just talk, when I keep me going. The yama woman where I see the date that time. You go your call. I beg, no comes back again, no comes back again. Now I say true because of nakedness. Oh yeah, I'm not see naked. Now you're pulling. What are you doing? Eh, Becky, you can't laugh. Okay, I get your prick. I get your prick. You say the pricky. I know where. Prick, not the ugly. Nah, toto the ugly. Where me cannot hurry on. I cannot be go. I cannot be go. Or la way I view me. I want to be I'm here. I'm here. We not big go. We not big. Let me win a we not on you. I'm here. Becky, how market now? How market? Oh, but when you see my man, he gallant, he better pass men, he better pass how far? Man, oh, but man, or breakfast. Oh my God, I feel like crying for you. Oh, but man, or breakfast. Man now. The day me why don't watch Germany? The day come my day is so beautiful. My day is even beautiful that you will be younger. My day don't want to knock. What are you? My day is so neat. On it be. Egbe cliff. Isara on his son. It is a year. I be a stream. The day we are. The day women who feel you go spray them on. Who na you get kuna ezisa ogon baze. Young girl, you cannot work. Iron phone. We have accident. We have accident. Iron or phone. Who do expect me? No, when they gallant soldiers. You don't know where you are. Yeah, this way. You know everything, You don't feel resist my sense. Why is it me to Azul? You know, see, you can't resist my sense. You are always complaining. Because when you are going to Agbuhe, Asaleka you, I pity you. Who hear so about you in our way, and na pepper. So na pepper here when I big you in a saloy. Which you know. But it's like you to Azul, but I mean, I go with you. Why, I mean, I go with you. A gallant man, a better pass from Vita, better pass the sun, a gallant. Oh, God, man, that far. I'm market now. Where's your gallant boyfriend? Oh, God, I dealt with my drink. The destiny with me.
Gallant boyfriend or there.
Oh, why you come around here? I pick a call you and I'm I say no.
Hello, Daddy.
Well, yeah, my daughter.
I don't say the record give you. Becky will say husband they say if he receive salary, if they give a monthly salary, they take care of himself. You do good, buy cream. How market? How you go be with daddy battle? I don't lie you. You just let the people where you want marry. You just use Becky one night stand. Dump like that. Meaning Becky, if this one feel live out, daddy, many things that guy get body where you never talk. If Becky, that guy feel live Becky. People Becky they insult the guy family now. The guy family they insult her well now for live video. I even do the live video. Imagine one day see Percy life. Percy will say he come my city, you want come marry. We don't know how the city been out of 100%. Now let 10. Now let 10. Now they responsible for the city. Una lare, una where right 1 2 3 to 10. So you see, that the man live in my picking, not let me concentrate.
No, I don't know.
They write in one
word. Make me audio when I audio now. You say that you make audio. Make audio now. Watch every video now. That's audio now. Is that? Oh, what pass? Because when I didn't make audio now. If I don't play this, they wishing again. Really, I audio, not audio.
Yes, but cycle for.
How do you want to play the conversation between the woman with blessings, where Becky snatch The man from.
Husband.
Now, when I listen to the woman and say, aware.
Understand. So I say not about Mokalumba. Or I will call because I'm move on. Let the move on. I'm going to move on.
But another day, when you come back, Coco.
Oh, Mama, Marina.
Oh, Marina.
Marina, Mara, Barua. At the condition on the dinner. Yeah, the condition now is allowed now.
Oh, sure.
So that doesn't move on. Only my mean one is then I should be also not about what you allow because you know matter now. I want to give you information. It's wrong information. Maybe people talk. It's a wrong information.
Information. That wrong information. That wrong information. That okay. Anyway, let's about work here with. But you don't want to get a matter of it now. But you were not married now.
I have to make it. You got to make peace. Not to make peace. I don't want to make it peace. I make it peace.
You see, he said the Becky boyfriend, this boy so called out, had to make peace. Reconcile again. Unfortunately, the woman don't marry. If you hear what the woman said the condition what she did now, peradventure she might be pregnant. You understand? So she said the condition which she did not be when she going to do saga. When they go to saga for social media. So you see how it's the old scenario. Sometimes, you know one thing. If man break your heart, sometimes, no vex. All you need to do as a woman, go down on your knee, pray, say, God, thank you God Almighty, for letting the devil in my life all this year go. Bringing in the Christ in my life. Now what happened to this woman? The devil in this woman's life was also there all these years. Immediately Becky picked the devil. The Christ in that woman's life rise up again and come into the woman's life. They are married and she don't get belly. By the grace of God, I don't know if you don't get belly. She don't also she get belly. That one of my own brain, I think they calculate that because what she talks say the condition what she did now, not be the condition what she did. The condition person do saga. You understand? So definitely God already bless her. She don't get mad. Becky will snatch her boyfriend, still come out on social media to saga this woman with a doggy. Becky send this woman picture, go give a doggy. A doggy come out as a godfather to saga this woman. A doggy, how market? This woman is married legally. Oh God. Becky is still a single mother. Voila. Mommy, yo. Wait, I'm going to hear the audio. We'll continue the audio. Oh, continue for who will stop. Don't play finish.
No, I make it pretty. I'm going to so you got to high call. But you know, I'm because it's a got the person number and be very glad.
Problem, congratulations. We will move on in there, but it pay me better. Although, boy, why you buy a move where you're there for?
Okay.
Mommy, I have a problem. I have Becky. Oh, my problem. I have Becky.
Because you have a man of
since we will move on in the problem, you know. Since we move on in the problem, you know. I will want to tell you, I want to go but of that, we born now why you boy am for your life for video. And then Becky now on my video. No problem.
No, all
right.
Nasiam. Well, my dear Becky, I know you born where you left for. You see the mistake which my made make. I never thought this is. I never place on you. I never thought this is. Oh, Baba this man. And many men use their hand to show their life partner. Because of what they want benefit, because benefit, they go into a relationship because benefit. Any relationship you go into because of benefits, my guy, that relationship can never work out. You go into it for love. There is no reason of any human being to love a man or a woman. Hear me and hear me clear. A relationship where there is a reason you loved is not a love, it's a lust. If that reason is no longer there, you will end the marriage or you will end the relationship. So you don't love somebody because of a reason. There should not be a reason why you love somebody. I love you because you won't give me documents. I love you because you get money. I love you because you go fit this fruitful. But the time the document not come, the love goes spread. That's a no give for you. That is a way for you. Oh, Sayande, the child knows Sayande. Oh, me Daniago. I love Mangalora because Mangalora make me stand as a man in Germany. That's why I see you as a boy. You are a boy. There is no reason you should love a woman. If you sincerely love a woman, you love a woman endlessly. No reason to love. You love that soul. The soul of a woman never get ugly, never get old. Instead, get younger. If you love this woman because she has bumpy, she has breasts, the breast is so stand. My sister, at the age of 80 years, would you still love that woman breasts? The breast don't go fall down. If you love a woman because the woman can box, she has big nash. At the age of 80 years, that woman will still get big nash. The young dog will go. You love this woman because she has money. She's so rich. Will that richness last forever? If there's no money, the bitterment time, the sorrow time comes. That means you will leave that woman. I love this woman because this woman is so fruitful. She will also bear children. When the woman not bear children again, what will happen? If this woman children had an accident, they die. What will not happen? You will not love the woman again? You don't love because of a reason. There is no reason to love. That's one stupid mistake with Enogi and puppies they make. How you gonna love woman because they give you, it make you stay for Georgetown and they want to deport you? Let them deport me. It does not change the love I have for you. People are in Europe here, they fall in love with someone in Nigeria. At the end of the day, they will still go back to that Nigeria, go meet that person. That's love. It doesn't say the fact that see you abroad. Are they abroad? Now we love. There are people that in America, they lost somebody in Sambisa forest. They will cater for that person. It's pure genuine love. Ewi, oh now because of some manner given picking, we can't date Joshland. Almost were jealous. Like say I'm only impotent. Like say almost one. You never had born before. Now Barry boy. And when they drew, they see people they could cry the meter. Frank don't knock this one. Frank don't knock this one. Frank don't. These are your mentor. They are my ex. I just do my drink. I want you. Really, man, we God bless.
The boy na idiot now. They don't want them. We don't want them. We want go put money for the Becky head. We don't want that boy. If the person will get sense, he no go check Becky first before he go put money for you.
Exactly.
But he no get sense.
Oh yeah, paper one. At the end of the day, now.
Oh, we pepper. You cannot win your senior.
Now they come to pay. At the end of the day,
ask me one come follow Becky. Now pity that person.
Oh no more Becky now. It's a fake account. Hey Becky now a friend in me. Becky now anya no he fake accounts. It's just me now. Oh no anya no he so looking fake account. That fake account. Mama no him. No one guy man like that. Oh no anya no he ne. Here we are. A best friend of here. No mega hold no see no bojo here now. Only what me. See the person who is the friend. He open leg for person we don't know. We never see face. We the fake account. So looking. Do you know how many fake accounts get all these presents of naked pictures? Because of stars. I'm on to. I'm gonna see you. Yeah, tell me you have where you lay. Understand? Aria, kago na. O be akpas why? Make you see go mother patronat. If Frank is not married, but Frank is married now. Well, we can see go mother. We also can also not they pay. Also not they pay. Becky law. Hey, God. How far I think I got one falling. Becky, other single woman is down. My G, this is my G. My G, what's up now? What's the young? Are your side?
I do. I said, we can talk to one of your ex.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, proud mom. Why?
Proud mom, like I want to you are. Total. Proud mom. Frank is now a married man. Leave Frank alone. If you don't marry, you see a cry about Frank. That means sellers not doing job as a man. That means sellers not try.
In the Sagami.
If sellers they try as a man. If sellers they try as a man, I see no reason.
No.
And secondly, proud man, you are an adulterous woman. For you to sit down, stay on your matrimonial bed, they talk about Frank Bola, how you and Frank take fuck. You are an adulterous woman.
Hey, yeah.
It be against you, God.
Okay, where?
Proud man, they forget something. I mean, you don't know say na Stuttgart here near you did. You forget say your proper could swim everywhere for Stuttgart. I mean, you they forget. Make I remember you. With your breast will be like slippers. Make I remember you. You forget say your proper could swim everywhere for Stuttgart. If you are no, if you are Stuttgart. Ashawo. Well, what here? Salas what here me? Salas Salas, my guy. My advice to you be say, you see anytime when you are pregnant, you work out for Stuttgart. Not to the best down, my guy. Because one out of two, let me say, if five black men passing on the road, then two, for inside, don't chop your wife. My guy, now let me not to carry work out, not be wife you marry. Now, if I care, now you carry waka. If I care for Stuttgart, now you carry waka. My guy, the day you do your marriage, you made the cry now. Say, this one you won't pay a bride price. Don't say, now proud won't pay a bride price, not be you. Everybody know that one. What? See the kind of woman where you go marry. Woman will say, her back was full everywhere for Stuttgart. Not be you what they fuck that woman now. As to the fuck that woman, men day when you say they use your wife naked photo, they do so every time. And this is an advice to men out there. My brothers, before we are married, we are try to do investigation. But the woman when I marry, we are try. If na her ex, we are try. Look, that woman when I marry, we are gather information. My guys, Salas, this shows me. You are from a useless family. Because no reasonable family for that Benin go allow their daughter-in-law, they come out on social media, on her matrimonial bed, they talk about her ex-Bola, how she and her ex-stay fuck. It means Salah's family is a useless family. And to those Benin women out there, the so-called Benin women, not be all when they social media, when they claim say that they fight for Benin Kingdom. And the so-called women, they will see go Odosho platform, who they clap and for now. This kind of thing they have for Benin before. For married woman they pay a bride price, go they her matrimonial bed, they talk about how she and her ex stay fuck. There is this so-called Benin women, they will see go there, go they give her and love her like our useless women. Brad mom, I don't like big Frank, and if Frank can you what?
Away you are.
If you can know, you are quick to shoot the play was to that. Brad mom, with the place, you know now. Your breast like slippers. Now you see come out, constantly talk. But shall not blame you. Now Salas are blamed because Salas is from a useless family. My brother carry on, my brother. God bless you.
What? I must greet you, bro. So, proud mom, they talk about me. Unfortunately, I don't really see him. You understand? I don't see him. According to what this man talks so. You could
not the way that girl not they talk about you, both for TikTok and Facebook. Oh.
Really?
If you didn't like for TikTok, you go there for Facebook. Now your matters is where you come from that year marriage for Nigeria.
Yeah.
No day so you have no topic anymore. Pass your matter where they talk.
The pain is real then.
For real.
Now I will see the beat your husband family then. For real.
They show for everybody.
Where did it-
But
where-
now you still live more. Just imagine.
Well, the reason why I live, I'm not because of another person, I'm because of
Men
Stanley.
want to let my brother.
When this Stanley, oh, you're that one, the young icon. You understand? Now make me live on from the other person. Because a husband, brother, is a boy to Stanley, oh, you're that one. You understand? So, Stanley called me, Stanley begged me, we called the boy, and I see another problem. Now live on, add that me. What I started now? I say now see I am done away. It seems the near one ya wa to ya be ya been ya salas. Salas are born away. Ya wa everybody. But nevertheless, I better marry the pain is real when we are soaking. You understand? Since you don't know why to go ya can born away. All in the name of red label ya be. Red label in West 5 liter you war. But back there for your now. Non be go non ay boy ya girele be ya irebe idu he ya gbekun rele be aro go o ga so oh tell baby I'm tired oh baby I'm tired you shut up mother what dey worry you
Please some respect take way what yan my bro so take me.
Prado no show I go disgrace you now you know me now you were married not shame na me we ma ko shame
What don't you make
I thank God so na you say all of my no year now e pon so bo ya we hon mo ma ka we hon so se me hon na ko we ya saga ne o ma we se mi ya be ko ta we mare ne he ya a we view body gre me ha fi bo so ta so e wa view body family so ta so
Because when if they talk to you, I know they still they keep their comment and who go climb up because they say he don't marry, may rest for this nonsense. Nobody, I may nobody tell you may you rest, may you don't talk to them again because woman when you respect the husband, you're not supposed to be talk to yes anyhow.
ya ro be ya ro go be igu ya gun ya am pa igu ya gun ya la ti ni on ya we Frank Swan Frank yo ro ko Frank lo bi ko igu ni ro bi me ya de ge ya de igu ro bi ya gun o ko gele no ro yu ba a pa go be na yi mo go gbanya wa na mam wo gbanya wara na ba gumya aye ga nya zuwa mun wa ba gumya sai we ma o chon kino doare da ba gumya na
Vuoi comprare criptovalute? Ma non sai da dove cominciare, eh? Basta seguire 2 semplici passi. Prima di tutto, prendi il tuo telefono, scarica crypto.com e registrati. Dai un'occhiata, l'interfaccia è super intuitiva. Tutto quello che ti serve è a pochi click di distanza. Facile facile. Poi trovi la criptovaluta che ti interessa.
Ina ki biyo ko men yawa ga yan kamare ma
Otto se Becky aí, na wow.
Becky no Becky amo ne go Becky amo
o to le si aye
The one is here, after those things.
so I greet you all with Becky that was all right there the way ring aya semeta the way don't give Becky and the Becky very sorry very sorry for the lost man stop very sorry for the loss of relationship man understand this of next time we need no man do ya fear we where are you know what they worry this year so you know what they worry Becky
Next time, yeah, what na move for.
when I
Next
want
time.
again are you want Becky I don't know in a Becky don't do live video in my house. Becky, I gave me live video in the office because I was having office. Now let's stay 2 room. Again, remember 2 bedroom. We gotta stay 2 room. Room apalo. Becky, I have bedroom. Me, I have office in here. Yeah, we live video office. Becky, I live video office in Becky on live video. We bedroom. We bedroom. Me, I Becky, me, if you're ready, cold. You gotta realize, yeah, Africa shop. My cash cruise. Or you wait here. My Jiro. Make the Becky away live video. Man. Because we only follow that. Only follow one. The same thing with Odegbe or Papillon and Mumu Lot let take lead. In a room office with live video, in a bedroom here with live video. Imagine me make live video stay. You cannot respect a man and you want a man to marry for us. How it happen? Equally respect of beer, one of them where you are. Why else nowhere? There as well live video. We're not working with as well live video. It's what they have too much. Don't tell my beer. My beer. My beer. You understand? Really ugly. I really where you come away. Me na really what's a really. You know really. Me amara where you want. We sigma. Messi. That's where you go ignore you are. I really we do. Oh yeah. No. You have to stop it. Because we are very able to go over. You will help me more. Me off it up. I'm very now. I will pay me the life, the saga you. I pay me one morning, you'll never go. Was that here? Choking me.
The saga, me, na be the saga. They don't bear necessarily a shampoo. Again, and a wow, or a warrant with the Frankie, and a bond disturbing my friend, the Frankie. She pay me, or what pay me cannot do does not exist too. Like, are you serious right now?
And you're very man.
I am where pay me. I shampoo. And if around when I make your run when any rapu no repag everyone on Mulawa. We're not only living, we're not living, we're not where fit your down. There's not a message. Oh, a message to Avialele. They don't tap me.
Always remember you get one boy where they consider what they cause us more. You get one boy where they.
Just imagine their life. What a shame.
Cause me, like your mate. Su edad. Ese edad como un poquito mayor, pero ahora tú vas mayor de dile fuck you.
Fuck you.
My answer that they say fuck you stupid boy. What are you cooking?